Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to Emerge Kenya TV. We are so honored that you would join us. Thank you so much. Today guys, we are in the capital city of Kenya, Nairobi, and specifically in the newly renovated Uhuru Park to experience Nairobi Festival, the vibe of the city. Uhuru Park is a recreation park in the heart of Nairobi, Kenya, and was first opened to the public in May 1969 by the first president of Kenya, Jomo Kenyatta. This is the last time, baby. I'm numbing up like Novocaine. Like Novocaine. So guys, join us as we tour the new Uhuru Park, which has been closed for the last few years for renovations, but finally we have been able to access it before it's closed again for more renovations. I just need you to feel what I feel. Now we are switching the roles. I have limits that turn me so cold. Believe everything that you hear. I just need you to feel what I feel. Continue watching and watch until the very end. We have some exciting news to share with you, so keep watching. Also remember to like, to share, to leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you so much. Nairobi Festival was opened by the Governor of Nairobi, Governor Sakaja Johnson, as a way to promote Nairobi City and its culture. Nairobi Festival has and will continue to be organized by Nairobi City Government to celebrate diversity of Nairobi, its rich creative arts and culture, and also information and communications technology of the city. At the Nairobi Festival, you can enjoy some Nairobi street foods, games, fun, music, drinks, creative arts, or just experience the beautiful Uhuru Park. Is anybody these days? Oh, I've been a liar. Pointed a finger when I started the fire, and I've never been one to pray. I hope for someone like you. After the hurt and the heartbreak, you made me believe in something new. Baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me. After the hardest night, you're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church with your love. And take me to church with your love. Since I was a child, I never made the best choices. My heart can run wild. I get distracted with pretty voices, but my past lovers were wrong.
True, oh, now you're walking down the aisle, and I'm about to say I do. And baby, I promise to love you and respect you and be faithful till death do us part.
From how the love was given, I feel right since they've been gone. Since you became my religion, baby, like a sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. You're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen and hallelujah, thanking God's above. And take me to church with your love. And take me to church with your love. You took me down to the river, gave me a new start. It's different now with no sinners, breaking my heart, and I don't feel the hurt I used to be made of. 'Cause you take me to church without you, love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. You give me reason to believe that it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot. So amen, hallelujah, thanking God's above. Take me to church with your love. Take me to church, take me to church, take me to church with your love. Take me to church, put me down to the river, give me a new start. It's different now, no sinners, breaking my heart.
8 a.m. I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's still now and I'm stuck in my bed. Still now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of.
We would like to thank all of our subscribers and viewers for your continued support and for getting us to 2,000 subscribers. So we'll be giving away 2,000 Kenya shillings to one of our subscribers as a way to appreciate your support. So how do you enter to win? You have to be subscribed to this channel and your subscription has to be public. You also have to follow our Instagram page and the link will be in the comment section of this video. You also have to leave a comment at the comment section of this video and let us know when Uhuru Park was first opened to the public. All the instructions on how to enter for this contest and also the official rules of this contest will be at the comment section of this video. This contest will open at 4 p.m. East African time on December 16, 2022 and will close at 4 p.m. East African time on January 2nd, 2023. You must have a valid Gmail account to comment for the giveaway entry. The winner will be chosen randomly with a YouTube comment picker at 4 p.m. East African time on January 2nd, 2023 and will be announced on our social media accounts the same day. If the winner has not followed the rules of the contest, they will be disqualified. The winner must contact us to claim their prize and we will validate you are the account holder with a keyword that must be edited into the winning comment. If the winner does not respond within 1 week, they will be disqualified and a new winner will be chosen. Any information we collect during this contest will be used for the sole purpose of delivering the prize to the winner. This contest or giveaway is not sponsored by YouTube in any way. We are responsible for the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly remember to share, to like, to subscribe if you haven't yet, And also remember to leave a comment if you would like to be entered in the giveaway. And until the next video, have a good one, be safe, be kind, and cheers. Bye bye.